Hello guys, we are back with another video, and today we can show you what my dad got from Amazon. So it is a headlight, not a headlight as in
head torch. Yeah.
head torch, yeah.
Or headlamp.
Headlamp.
So few things. It's USB headlamp,
yep.
USB port, all perspective sports headlamp.
So it can
rechargeable power more than 500 times. Superpower LED, waterproof rate 1px4, whatever that means.
So if you drop in the water, it won't?
No, it will probably. If it gets wet with rain, it probably won't. The portable outdoor inductive light is perspectively designed. The USB port charging adds a stronger power on it. The main light is superpower LED that is much brighter. Special double switch design to ensure a convenient modes convert high capacity rechargeable battery offers a long lasting powering for safer outdoor sports. The headlamp is mainly used for fishing, hunting, night running, hiking and camping. So it's got 4 hours power capability for full brightness, 30 hours for economical brightness, charge time 3.5 hours, weight 70 grams, battery included. I'll take the work down to it's inside. So if you want to open it.
Yeah.
So we've got this, why?
Because my brother's going to Duke of Edinburgh.
He's got to do his expedition of Duke of Edinburgh bronze, and he needed a light. And the light the older brother had was fancy company, but it wasn't very bright. So we got this. This is the instructions. If you want to look.
But this.
And this is the other details. It's pretty self-explanatory how it works. Remember, full battery charge before using it. To prolong life of battery, it's best to recharge the battery before it fully discharged. Avoid extreme temperatures per sheet. Do not attempt to battery convert. This could damage you and will void your warranty. Warning: looking directly at LED can harm your eyes. We do not recommend this product for children under the age of 6.
Sorry, I can't wear it. So that if you have a sensor device, don't watch this bit. So let's put it on.
So you've got a button on top, and you can tilt it forward on your head. So on your head, it can be down like that. So you're looking up, or you can look it straight ahead. Switch on the top. The power lead thing at the bottom. So open that up, show them. It's like, what is it like? The cover?
Rubbery.
Rubber.
Yeah.
Can you hear that? And it's just to seal it off. Like you'd go on, just show them how to do that. Go on, you show. I'll hold it. You got it around? Yeah, go on. Normal USB for like.
What are the other ones for?
What do you mean? What the other one's for? There's nothing. That's nothing. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
So just connect it. I connect that to the computer at work to charge it when I initially got them, and it's got a full charge. It lights up.
You connect it to the
red when it's charging here, and then it goes green when it's done. So do you want to have a press it on? Don't blind anyone.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. What? Did you see that? Oh, it's putting on flash. Hold your hands straight.
That's how bright it is.
And look at this. If you swipe your hand in front of it,
so what you want
goes out. So if you go like that, wait, it didn't work. It's not working.
I've set it on it. And then swipe. So there, do it again. Swipe. That's on. Right, and then you've got different modes. So you've got that really, obviously really bright.
Medium.
Off, and then you got, put it on again. Then you got lower. And lowest. Oh.
Lowest is like.
So you want to do it, you want to demonstrate. So you go, why do you hold it against my hand? Yeah? And then that's the brightest one. That's really mega bright. And then press it again.
This.
And then lower. And then press again. Lower.
Oh, that's
and then hold it again, press it down. And then you've got the red. You can shoot the red without blinding yourself.
Oh, that's so cool.
And then you've got.
I didn't know that.
I tell you what we can do. Just switch your light off. I switch your light. No, so you leave it on, hold it.
Oh.
Let's flip it. So that's, the lights are all off now in the kitchen, so
Oh, you swiped it again.
that's how bright it is. Mm. Mm. And then press it again. Go on. And the lower. And lower again, and hold it now. And that's a red
Oh,
one.
that's so cool. That's the coolest one.
So we can go like that as well.
You cannot see us.
So basically it's quite,
Oh, there's that one.
yeah, flashing around. So you've got that one, that one, that one, that one, that one.
Hello.
I think you do flash on for the thingy.
Hello. Bye-bye.
That's on and off. Swipe, so you got in your head and you swipe. So that's if you don't want to swipe it, you
I don't
press
know
the
why,
left
but
bit.
it feels really nice
You
when
put
the
a left
lights
on.
on. And then you're just in the dark and the lights on. I don't
There's
know
a
why.
flashing one, I'm sure there's a flashing white one. Or a flashing red one anyway. I don't think you'll use it anyway, so a flashing red one. Needless
Maybe
to say,
the flash red one is for like bikes, and if you're riding a bike, maybe.
needless to say, it's very bright. Okay, hang on. Let's put light back on now.
Hello, you cannot see me.
So, I think it was two for about £17, but it's cheaper than the Petzl one that whatever that company is that does light that we got from Thingy. You can tilt. Oh, let's turn it off completely. You can tilt it down. So if that's against your forehead that way, yeah, go on, press it down. So you can have it down as far as you want there, and that's still the kind of height. So tilt down, see where you're going. How does it feel on the
What's
head?
that?
Have you tried it on the head? Do you want to try it on your head? Just give me an idea what it feels like. Feel comfortable?
Yeah.
Tilt it down. Yeah.
I don't know. That feels weird. The way it goes.
Does that feel quite comfortable?
Yeah, yeah.
So if I put it on and you want to read something, is that the kind of position you're reading from?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Is it going to disturb you reading that?
How
that?
to?
Yeah, forget about that, reading it, just saying how does it feel in terms of reading from there?
Yeah, it feels.
Okay, let's
moves
switch the
with
light
your
off. So we're
head.
just going to switch the light off. So is that okay, you can read fine from there?
Yeah, I can read fine from here.
Because one of the things when you're going to school on the
Yes,
way back when it's
indeed.
dark during winter, you need them to read. And we used to have those lamps that you could on an arm that you click to the books, but they weren't great, were they? But you're going to wind. Are you going to mind wearing this?
Yep.
Huh?
No.
You're not? Okay, right, so should we finish now? Because I think there's more than enough time.
Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.
Before we
Peace.
say anything, is it good?
Yes.
Is it brilliant?
Yes.
It's about £18 for two, which is a very good price. This may be an issue, you could have to charge it. So if you run out, you had it, but you could get one of those power banks. And the charger, they said 4 hours, so we've got two for your brother's Duke of Edinburgh. He'll take two with him, so if he needs another one, he could use it. I doubt he'll need it because they're going during the day, but you never know. So we've just got these. See what everything. We've also got the one your brother had, the Petzl one, just in case, and some batteries for that. So you've got plenty just to be on the safe side. So yeah, it's worth considering. Definitely really bright because I've looked at it a couple of times, totally blinded me.
When did you
So-
look at it?
Oh, when I was fiddling, it didn't blind me, but my eyes go
I know it went
weird for a
purple.
bit,
Purple.
weird for a bit, or whatever you call it, yeah, purple, whatever. So just going to put it back away. So while before he goes in November, gives me all night and tidy in there. So yeah, that's cool. Yeah,
Yeah.
you like it?
Yeah.
Good, worth it.
Yep.
All right then. So let's end.
Yep. Oh, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.
Okay.
Peace.
Bye.